In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini to check grammar. If you've ever worried that a sentence sounds off or you want a quick pass on a paragraph before you send it, this is a simple, fast way to polish your writing without any extra tools or setup. You'll do everything right inside the regular Gemini chat. Start by opening a new chat and typing a clear request that tells Gemini exactly what you want it to do. A straightforward prompt works best. For example, you can say, "Check the grammar of this paragraph and correct any mistakes," and then paste your text right after that line. Another great option is, "Proofread the following text for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors," followed by your content. Placing your text directly after the prompt keeps things tidy and helps Gemini understand what to fix. Once you send your message, Gemini will rewrite your text with corrections applied. You'll typically see improvements to grammar, punctuation, and clarity, and sometimes it will smooth out awkward phrasing while preserving your original meaning. If you want a particular tone, you can mention it in your prompt, something like, "Keep the casual tone," or "Use a professional voice." This doesn't add any extra steps, it just guides the rewrite so the output matches your style. If you're curious about what changed, ask Gemini to explain the edits in plain language. You can add a short note such as, "Briefly explain your corrections," to the same request. That way, you'll learn why commas were moved, verbs were adjusted, or word choices were refined, which can help you improve your writing over time. For longer pieces, consider pasting one section at a time so the feedback stays focused and accurate. You can also set a preference like, "Avoid changing the meaning," or "Only fix grammar and punctuation," to keep the rewrite tight. If Gemini ever over-edits, just reply with a quick clarification like, "Less rewriting, more corrections," and it will adjust. Before you finalize anything important, take a moment to read the corrected version out loud or compare it with your original. Even the best tools can miss context, and a quick review ensures the final text sounds like you. That's all there is to it. Open Gemini Chat, ask it to check your grammar with a clear prompt, paste your text, and let it polish your writing. No extensions, no downloads, just fast, reliable proofreading right in the chat.